Hi, it's Terry. In this video, I'm going to share details about Stampin' Up's kit collection. The card kit collections come in a beautiful box, so it's perfect to give as a gift or perfect for an on-the-go project. Everything you need to assemble the kit is in the box, except one exception. If there's ribbon or trim, you will need a scissors. There are written instructions that are colored written instructions and photo instructions, plus there's instructions online. If you found me via YouTube, in the comment section of this video, I have a direct link to my blog post where I have a listing of all the videos Stampin' Up has created currently for their kit collection. In this particular kit, which is the Light the Candles card kit, there are 8 cards you can make in this kit collection, 4 of each of the style. This kit includes the stamps for stamping the labels, and there are a variety of options for your stamp. The samples will show one image for the stamp sentiment, but there are other options that you have. The kit also includes a block. This is different than the blocks that we sell. It is thinner and it works perfect for creating kits. But we do have ones you can purchase that have the beveled and are thicker. You do receive an ink spot. An ink spot is a 1-inch cube of an ink color that coordinates with the project. And you can keep using this, and when it does dry out, you can just purchase a refill of that color and refill it and keep using it. So the beauty of this particular card kit, or any of them that contain a stamp set, you can keep using this stamp set, keep using the block, and keep using the ink spot for additional projects. You can purchase cardstock, note cards, a variety of different options to keep using it. So in this kit, there are 4 cards like this, 4 cards like this. I only assembled 1 of each. So here are the remaining supplies for the 3 of this style and 3 of this style. All of them include an envelope, and these envelopes are beautiful. All the envelopes in all the kits will be a decorative envelope, and that's the beauty of these kits. Everything is pre-printed for you. The card bases are scored for you. In this particular card base, it's printed on the front and the back, and if you wanted to, you could repurpose these items and create the card to a different style, or you can copy exactly what Stampin' Up has done. It includes embellishments, which are on each of those elements there, and it includes the banners that are already die cut and perforated, so you can just pop those out, and everything that you need to stamp is also on here. Along with the adhesive you need, there's some foam strips for this particular card kit and some adhesive dots. I do want to show you what I did differently for this kit. And I do this all the time when a kit will include something to stamp. So as I mentioned, you get the stamps and you get a block. And if you look at this particular block, you might think it's not large enough for the stamp that's longer, but it is, because it will work for your block if you go on a diagonal. So let me just pop that on there and see. So you go on a diagonal, it will still work on this size block. I like using the Stamparatus, so I'm going to real quickly show you the Stamparatus. This would be something that you would purchase in addition. And what I have here is, with the Stamparatus, you get 2 of these removable plates. What I did was I put the stamp right on the grid paper. The grid paper is an add-on purchase. This is the small grid paper, which I like to use because you can stamp on it, and it works great for lining things up. So just envision that I put this on, I inked it up and stamped it down on the paper. Then what I did was I took all of these out of the die cuts out, and I'm going to use this circle as a template. So once I have this stamped, I can line up this as a template and then use the magnets that come with the Stamparatus. I added painter's tape on mine so I can create handles. They are very strong. Be sure you don't bring them close to each other because they will collide. Then what you can do is take your ink, and I don't know if I'm still on camera here. Dab your ink on here, and before I did that, what I should have done is take this circle, put it back in this opening like a puzzle piece, tap on the ink and bring it down, apply some pressure here to get your ink to soak into the paper. Just give it a couple seconds so it absorbs into the paper, and that's how I like to stamp my sentiments. So my tip here is to save these for your template, and then you can use that for lining that up. So this is one of the card kits. This is called Light the Candle card kit, but I want to show you a couple other card kits that I put together here. And here is one. This one does not have a stamp set or ink spot or a clear block, because this particular kit, all of these sentiment banners are already pre-printed. So some of the kits have pre-printed labels, and look at these beautiful envelopes printed on one side, and then they even have a subtle print on the inside. So for this particular project, you receive that pre-printed banner in multiple different languages, and once I use the English ones, this is what I have left over. But I would not throw these away, because you can turn them over and you can stamp, use the other side. That's the beauty of the paper. It's two-sided, so you can stamp the other side. And I typically have extra embellishments, and I have some extra sequins. These are adhesive backing. There's an extra flower here, extra image here, and lots of these extra pieces here. So this is the Petal Notes card kit. That is one of the kits. Here's another kit that's really pretty that has the printed banners, and these are butterfly shaped cards and just beautiful cutouts and beautiful paper. These also have the banner as I showed here, and some beautiful envelopes. These are not printed on this side, but look at how beautiful they are, plus they're scalped, so those are super pretty. In surplus, what I had extra here was all of these labels. Turn them over and you can use the other side for other projects. So I wanted to share that. And then the last one I do have that I want to quickly share with you. Sometimes the kit will include a gift box. The Sentimental Rose card kit includes a gift box. This does have the baker's twine. I do have some extra left over. I didn't use all of it, so you do need a scissors for this one. It includes a stamp set, which is absolutely beautiful, a beautiful flower, greenery, and so many options for sentiments. Very versatile to use for other projects. And here the cards are smaller. So on my blog, I've listed everything that's included with the card kits in addition to the size they are. So these would be considered note cards, but look at how beautiful they are. So these, I'm just loving the Stampin' Up! Kit collection, and I think you will too. If you or your friends would like to order any of the kits, please reach out to your demonstrator. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator you're working with, I would love to have you order from me. Please reach out to me with any questions. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you found this useful. I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red box under the video, then select the red bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Take care and happy creating.